Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and opening Settings. This gets you straight to the controls you need. Once in Settings, scroll to Battery and tap it. This is the entry point. Then select Battery Health and Charging so you can view maximum capacity and peak performance capability. You do this because the phone measures battery chemistry over time, and these screens display the recorded health metrics that matter for performance and replacement decisions. Once you're on the battery health screen, read the maximum capacity percentage. It represents estimated charge capacity relative to new. Make sure to note peak performance capability. If the phone reports performance management applied, it explains unexpected slowdowns. Also check optimized battery charging. It reduces aging by limiting time at 100%. You should understand these because capacity affects battery life, while performance management trades peak power for stability. And optimized charging. To finish, act on what the metrics tell you. If maximum capacity is significantly low, plan a battery replacement with Apple or an authorized service. If readings look incorrect, make sure iOS is up to date and restart the phone. You can also reset settings to eliminate software errors. If that fails, run diagnostics or contact Apple support so they can remotely verify or advise. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.